What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Tuesday. So today we're gonna go over some distributions for this week. We got a couple other distributions hitting tomorrow. Well, at least being announced tomorrow. As far as pay dates go, I'm not too sure what's getting paid out this week as far as yield max funds. I think the schedule has been changed because of the holidays, but we're gonna look at that on their Twitter, on their X account. So we're gonna go over what they're gonna pay, what I'm gonna pay, how the portfolio is doing. So keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or cryptocurrency. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers. I think we're around 1,700, so we're just like almost under 300 more to go, and then I'll do a $100 giveaway once I hit 2,000. So subscribe if you haven't to enter the contest. All right, so let's head on to Twitter, and we're gonna go over that on there. We're gonna go with Defiance because I saw Defiance earlier talking about distributions on their Twitter. You guys can see here QQQY, WTE, IWNY, they announced their distributions. This next distribution, I guess this is for, I'm a little confused here. Distributions, they're going to be paid on the 6th. All right, so this is for next week. All right, so we are currently at the 26th, so they're gonna pay this out next Friday, not this Friday, I guess, because of the holiday. So IWNY is gonna give 36 cents, WTE 28 cents, QQQY 28 cents. So I have IWNY, so that's good to see. And I believe Roundhill as well announced their distributions earlier today. Well, this is for YBTC. I actually did add YBTC to the portfolio, but XDTE and QDTE, RDTE, those were announced as well. So XDTE is going to pay 18 cents, QDTE is 22 cents, RDTE is 32 cents. And then I believe tomorrow they're going to announce yield max for Tesla, Crash, GUI, YBIT, OARC, Jom XOMO, I hope I'm saying that right, Snow, TSMY, and YMAX and YMAG. I believe these are going to be kind of like Defiant. They're going to be paid out next Friday and not this Friday. So in December, we're going to have, I believe, more pay dates than any other month. So we're going to go over that tomorrow. We'll see what YMAX and YMAG pay out because those are the two plays that I have. All right, so let's head on to the portfolio. We'll show you guys how that's doing. And I always dollar cost average, as you guys know. I'm always buying plays. I'm not throwing in a whole sum amount of money in a certain play. I'm just buying little bits each and every single day. So right now the portfolio is at 61,475, down 916. Down 900 for the day. In the past week, we're down 1,327. In the past month, up 5,213. In the past 3 months, up 8,573. Year to date, up 6,964. In the past year, up 9,613. All time, we're up $10,721. So that's awesome to see. As far as margin, I've used $219. I have my margin total to 1,000. That's 1,000 interest free from Robinhood, and my status is low risk. So that's good. All right, so the markets will be closed on November 28th for Thanksgiving Day. So definitely gonna keep you guys informed of that because you know that's the day we don't buy any stocks or anything. I think the crypto market is the only thing that's gonna be open. All right, so right now crypto has taken a pullback. You guys can see Bitcoin is at 92,000, Doge is at 38 cents, and we're gonna go over what I'm technically supposed to be paid this week from, well, next week from IWNY, QDTE, RDTE, and XDTE. So IWNY, I got 218 shares. 218 shares, and I believe we talked about them paying, what was it, 33 cents. They're paying 36 cents. So we multiply the 218 by 36. That's going to be $78 of dividends for next Friday. Okay, so this week we're not going to get anything. So $78 from IWNY, and then we're going to have the Round Hill funds. Obviously, I'm not going to make nothing crazy with Round Hill because I don't have a lot of shares. But QDTE, I got 7 shares. So 7 shares, and we're going to multiply that by, let's see what we got with Round Hill here. Round Hill QDTE is going to pay 22 cents. So multiply that by 22 cents. That's $1.54. And then RDTE, I have 4 shares. We're going to multiply that by 32 cents. That's how much they're paying. That's $1.28. And then we got XDTE is going to pay 18 cents. And I believe I only got 3 shares of that. Multiply that by 3. That's 54 cents. We add all of these up. Plus $1.28 plus $1.54. And that's going to be $3.36. We add that to the IWNY, which is $78. That's going to be $81 in dividends for next week. Okay, guys? So that's going to be good to see. All right, so $81. And then we got YMAX and YMAG going to be announced tomorrow from YieldMax. Okay, so let's just go over how all the weekly plays are doing, and then I'm gonna go over my first week because we're heading into a new month next week, and then we reset everything all over again. So YMAX, I'm always buying shares of YMAX. 432 shares. I'm down 9%, and that's gonna be announced tomorrow. YMAG, I got 380 shares. Average cost is $20. And I'm down 5%. And then we got IWNY, 218 shares. I'm down 23%. And we already know they're going to pay 36 cents per share. QDTE, 7 shares. I'm up 1% in QDTE. And then RDTE, I got 4 shares. I'm up 3% RDTE. So they're doing pretty good. And then XDTE, I got 3 shares. I'm up 2% in XDTE. All right, so we are going to focus on first week plays. Obviously, nothing too big in my portfolio with first week. SPY T is probably the only decent one that I have a decent amount of shares, but I'm still trying to pick up more shares as I can. So SPY T, I got 13 shares. I'm up 2%. And then I also have QQT, which is from Defiance and NASDAQ. I got 11 shares. I'm up 5% as well. And then we got Jeppy. Jeppy obviously doing fantastic. 3 shares. I'm up 4%. And then JEPQ. I got 2 shares. I'm up 5% with JEPQ. And then we got PFLT, Pen Park Floating Rate. I got 2 shares. I'm down 0.47%. But I do have a dividend coming in of 9 cents. They paid out 10 cents per share. I only have fractional, so that's why I'm only getting 9 cents. So, then I got GPIX, the Goldman Sachs S&P 500 Core Income ETF. I got fractional shares. I'm at 1%. And then we got GPIQ, which is the NASDAQ 100 from Goldman Sachs. Fractional shares. I'm at 1% as well. So these are pretty steady here. I got FBY from YieldMax Meta Income Strategy ETF. Still got fractional shares. I'm up 9.92%. And then we got Phillips Edison and Company, ticker symbol PECO. Fractional shares. I'm up 1% in this play, but I do have a 3-cent dividend coming in of 10 cents per share. I got fractional shares, so that's why I got the 3 cents. And then we got Dynex Capital, ticker symbol DX. I just got fractional shares. I'm not even up or down. I'm down 0.001. That's minus 0%. And I believe that's it for first week. So that's basically where I'm at, guys. Then we got the second week, third week, and then fourth week again. MSTY, it looks like it took a pullback because Bitcoin has been pulling back. So I'm still up 9% in MSTY, so I'm always trying to buy more on the pullbacks. And each and every single day I buy a little of everything. So yeah, guys, so what did we say? We are getting around 81, maybe a little more than that, when YMAX and YMAG are announced tomorrow. That's going to be for next Friday's payments. So keep in mind, we're not getting a payment for this Friday from YMAX or Defiant or Round Hill. They're all for next Friday. All right, so I'll make another video tomorrow. We'll talk about the distributions and see where we're at for total amount of dividend payments. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like the video, leave me any comments or questions down below. You can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. Check out the links down below. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, check out my link and we both get a free stock. So I appreciate all of you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.